Hello, this video demonstrates what TIREBOSS can do for your operations. The ability to change tire pressures from the cab of the vehicle while moving has significant benefits to the productivity in your operations. It's quite incredible what it can do. It clearly depicts the difference between the trucks with TIREBOSS, you'll see the ones with the hoses at the drive axles, versus trucks that are not equipped, the ones with Just for a recap what happened here, I came into the yard with the TIREBOSS truck. This truck was sitting here. There was another one over here waiting to get pulled out that was loaded. So while he pulled the truck out that was loaded, the TIREBOSS truck came in, unloaded his dirt, pulled up to the digger, while these other two trucks are still sitting here waiting for a pull. And this is the TIREBOSS truck over there with that digger going. And so whole operation stopped waiting for trucks, except for the TIREBOSS one with the lights on down there, because he's still moving. Here we are now. The tractors managed to come and get this truck that's been waiting since before we got into the field, and he's going to pull them. And there's the TIREBOSS truck. He's probably got half a load on already, and keep in mind he was the last truck into here. Now he's ahead of two other ones, and this digger's still waiting here. So pretty hard on productivity when the trucks are waiting to get pulled. One tractor definitely can't keep up with them all. Okay, now he's got to split off because I guess he must have pulled up to the wrong digger. So he's going to the other digger now to keep him moving. So he's continuing on while this truck has to be pulled. We're still moving here. This truck made it on its own. This one's still getting pulled. And this one's sitting here from before we came in even. It was sitting here. I don't think he's unloaded his dirt yet. These guys are spinning, they're all stuck. That's TIREBOSS truck still moving. So right now, all these guys are hung up waiting for the tractor, semi plus a straight truck. This is a TIREBOSS unit still moving. Okay, we managed to come under the loader again here under the digger. This guy was about 3/4 loaded, now he's stuck. So he's again waiting for the tractor. And we're carrying on loading. Right now the tow tractor is having some trouble, broken down or something. So one semi there, another one there. They were here before we got in the field. This digger's waiting, and the TIREBOSS unit's still moving. There's an empty semi there, and down at the end of the field, you can't see it, there's another straight truck, 3/4 loaded, that's stuck. See the real test, he's coming around the corner at the end of the field. And he managed to do that. He's got his speed up, so he will get out of here. He will make it. No, he's the only one that made it out of the field right now. Since the TIREBOSS unit left loaded, there's one empty semi stuck there on the left. There's another partially loaded one with the lights on down there by the digger, and then he's stuck, so the digger's not moving. And then right beside him, in front of him, is a loaded straight truck that's also stuck. So they've all been there, I don't know, for already 15 minutes. This one hasn't moved since we came back with the TIREBOSS unit empty. So he is still waiting to get pulled empty. The pull tractor is getting a welding job on the hitch. So all these semis are still standing here. So right now both diggers are not moving.